Hello. Mrs. Fry, the librarian here at Glacier Edge, would love for our kindergartners to have library books at their house for 1 month. She has a form for you to fill out on Seesaw, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And after 1 month, you would bring them back to school, and then she would pick new ones for you. Okay, so there'd be one day for you to come to pick up your books for your child, and then bring them back at a different time. Then she would have new books ready for you. So I'm going to show you the form to fill out with your child. So in activities in Seesaw, you're going to find English GE Library Book Request. Okay. You are going to press the link button. And here is the form. So you're going to fill out your first name, your last name, your school, Glacier Edge, kindergarten, virtual or in person. So I'm going to click virtual. Your teacher, Nelson or Ron. And here it says choose pictures of topics you would like to read about. Pick 3. Okay, so if you like dogs, you're going to click. If you like zoo animals and dinosaurs. Then down below, it says, I want books in Spanish, bilingual, or English. Because we're in the two-way immersion program, you would want to pick bilingual. So she might get you some in English and then some in Spanish to practice. Okay. Specific characters, if you have any, you can type them there. Favorite authors, if you want. Specific book titles. If you have nothing, just leave it blank. And then anything else you would like her to know. And then you hit submit. All right. So if you can do this as soon as possible, that would be great if you would like your child to have library books. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.